one of the OG content creators in the creator. You've been in the creator industry for more than a decade. How do you stay relevant for so long?
अगर इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर किसी भी क्रिएटर को मिल जाए तो वो मतलब वो अमर हो जाएगा. इससे पहले मुझे लाइफ में ना किसी ने बताया नहीं था कि मेरे बारे में क्या सही है. पंकज was a character who would wear fake brands, who had a funny hairstyle, but he was very confident.
सिस्टर तुम्हारे रीइंबर्समेंट के चक्कर में फैमिली के सामने मेरी एम्ब्रेसमेंट हो जाएगी ना. लेकिन
I'm sure you must be thinking कि यार कल जो पोस्ट जाएगा उसके बारे में how
अभी
will
तक नहीं सोचा था, अब सोच रहा हूँ. अगर तुम मुझे हेट करने वाले हो तो प्लीज मेरी रील को स्टोरी पे शेयर करके हेट करो ताकि मुझे उसका व्यू मिल जाए.
Today I was thinking यार अंकुश is coming on the podcast and मेरा मेकअप तो समझ में आ जाएगा कि गलत.
I don't look at people and I'm like इसका मेकअप गलत. ऐसा नहीं होता.
I just forgot to apply lipstick. So you were a little bit harsh on yourself.
I
and
was
you were-
very harsh on myself because I think people around me were very harsh on myself. If I meet my 15-year-old self, I think I'll give him a long, tight hug. When people are harsh around you, you sometimes internalize it. Because people have been judging you throughout your life, somewhere down the line, you start judging yourself. Kids don't grow up with this insecurity. It is planted in their heads.
There is still a stigma associated with men doing makeup, men doing skincare. Hate या trolling या social media पे ऐसा सुनने मिला या even in real life.
Even the strongest of people crumble under hate. You're not a man if you do this. Why have you laid out the rules of what a man can do and what a man can't do? Anonymity that gives you the license to say the worst things that you can and not be held accountable for it. Your need to be perfect sometimes sucks the fun out of things.
So today we have with us one of the OG content creators on Guftagoo. Welcome to Guftagoo, Ankush.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so happy being here.
How are you today?
I'm okay today. Like मतलब आज उतनी anxiety नहीं हो रही है, thankfully.
Okay.
So yeah, the day has started off on a good note. So yeah.
Okay, are you an anxious person?
I'm a very anxious person.
Really?
Very very anxious person. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो आपकी बात करी जाए तो you've been in the content creator industry for more than a decade.
Not more than a decade, but like काफी time हो गया. I think there was an overlap जब मैं I used to write video scripts for like comedy scripts for
Yes, sketches.
yeah sketches and all. और उसके बाद content creation शुरू हुई तो वो बीच का जो part है ना वो transition phase is a little blurry to me because you know like when you're acting in videos and you're also putting up on Instagram and then from that to actually becoming a content creator and you know leaving a job, it's been a long while. But I guess I only quit my job in the lockdown actually.
Okay.
Yeah, तब तक so
Before
there was
that
an
you were
overlap.
working
Yeah, I was working
and
full
doing
time.
the
Content also.
Content
Yeah,
also.
yeah,
Okay, great. तो कितना समय हो गया आपको? कितने साल
तो
हो
फिर
गए?
आप लगा लो मतलब like officially since leaving my job and just being on my own has been about 5 years. Not yeah. But I've been creating content since like actively creating content since 2018 maybe.
Great, that's very long.
Yeah, मतलब हो जाएगा अभी decade थोड़े
मतलब
time में.
आप आपने शुरुआत ही तब की जब इंडिया में शुरुआत हुई होगी जब कंटेंट क्रिएशन या बात करने लगे होंगे सोशल मीडिया की एज अ
Yeah.
करियर.
Yeah, kind of. Like उससे पहले मतलब मुझसे पहले भी थे content creators but the industry was very very new. तो हाँ हमसे भी पहले थोड़े से ही लोग थे तो
Yes.
उनको देख के हमें भी इंस्पिरेशन मिली कि यार
Right,
like look
right.
at them.
यस एंड जब हम क्रिएटर इंडस्ट्री की बात करते हैं तो रेलेवेंस की भी बात आती है. हाउ डू यू स्टे रेलेवेंट फॉर सो लॉन्ग? तो यस सो keep continuing to create content and still
Yeah.
staying relevant
Yeah,
for how many years? You say 6 to 7 years.
yeah.
How did you manage to do that?
I honestly don't have an answer to this. I think अगर इस question का answer किसी भी creator को मिल जाए तो वो मतलब वो अमर हो जाएगा. You know what I mean? But I think this is one of the toughest things to crack as a content creator क्योंकि you know you can have that one spike in your career, you can have 2 spikes, 3 spikes, but अब attention span इतना कम हो गया, इतने नए creators हर रोज आते हैं, so like how do you like get that hold on your audience and you know like keep them hooked to you? But I also feel like I'll tell you what has worked for me in my favor. It wasn't strategic. I think I've always been very honest on the internet and very like जैसा मैं हूँ मैं वैसा हूँ in my content, and I think now it has come to a stage where my audience connects with me on a personal level
Right.
as a personality. So I don't think वो मुझे सिर्फ इसलिए फॉलो करते हैं क्योंकि मैं कॉमेडी करता हूँ या क्योंकि मैं मेकअप करता हूँ. आई थिंक कल को अगर मैं कुछ और नया शुरू करूँगा आई नो माई ऑडियंस विल फॉलो मी बिकॉज दे नो मी एज अ पर्सन. सो आई फील लाइक दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. आई थिंक एक तो वो हुआ कि आप रेलेवेंसी के लिए यू डू व्हाटएवर इट टेक्स टू बी रेलेवेंट, बट आई गेस उसका कोड अभी तक किसी ने क्रैक किया नहीं, एंड आई डोंट थिंक इट्स पॉसिबल. I think with me, the only thing I've been consistent with is just exploring my personality and just being very honest about it. Like, for example, मुझे नहीं पता था कि I'll be into makeup, you know, when I started comedy. But then at some
By
point,
the way,
I
we loved your comedy
Thank
sketches
you.
back then.
Thank you, thank you,
Yeah.
thank you. I mean, I guess that was my claim to fame.
Yes, it was. Yeah.
So I'm very, very grateful for that phase of my life. But I also feel like after a point, I was like, यार अब मुझे beauty में भी interest आ रहा है. So why not make content out of this? And that's an extension of my personality, right? And so you know, like people know me as the guy who wants to do many things, and I like that.
Right, right. और अगर आप अपने 15-year-old self से मिलते हो, how would 15-year-old Ankush would react to see you taking this journey और यहाँ तक आते हुए देख के?
I think उसका रोना निकल जाएगा. Yeah, I think if I meet my 15-year-old self, I think I'll give him a long, tight hug, and I'll tell him that, you know, like, you have spent your entire childhood trying to be one of the cool kids, but maybe what will eventually make you cool is when you start accepting the way you are, and that is what will make you.
And be yourself.
Yeah. So I mean, ये कहना बहुत easy होता है, be yourself and all that, and ये समझना और मुश्किल होता है, you know, like what is you, who are you as a person, and you know, a lot of times the things that we really hate about ourselves are the things that make us unique, and those are the kind of things that people need to see so they connect with you. So I feel like if I meet my 15-year-old self, मुझे कम से कम 5 घंटे लगेंगे उससे बात करने में to tell him that, you know, like, yeah, we figured out, we always thought we were ugly, but now we're associated in the world of like beauty and glamour. Who would have thought?
And so many people look up to you.
I don't know about looking up to me, but I know that a lot of people see themselves in me. I think I value that way more than being looked up to. I don't think like मुझे figure of authority नहीं बनना. I'm just here just being the way I am and allowing myself to be the way I am. And I think my community allows me to just be myself. And I think that's beautiful.
And I think your community loves you. मैं जैसे अपनी sisters की भी बात कर रही थी, वो काफ़ी प्यार से आप मतलब जब भी आपके बारे में बोलते हैं, like I told them you coming on the podcast, oh Ankush is coming, like family जैसा आपको नहीं मानते, आपकी community जो है आप
Yeah, I think वो इसीलिए होता है because I think वो maybe they see a little bit of themselves in someone else, and I think growing up, if all of us could find that one person जिसको देख के हमें we feel comfortable about who we are, yeah, not just like relatable in the sense आप कैसे background से आते हो and all that, just on a personal level. Like I wish growing up I had someone to look up to and be like, you know, I'm not the odd one out. There are more people like me, you know. So I feel like maybe that's the connect that my audience has with me.
Yes, I think so.
And that could only happen because I put myself out there and I was okay being vulnerable. I think even as a man, just being vulnerable on the internet, being like, I'm a very emotional person and I've spent so many years of my life trying to fight it. And I think the moment I just accepted कि मैं ऐसा ही हूँ, you know, like I am expressive, I am emotional, I am very candid, I am very जो like जैसे भी, you know, all the things that men are not supposed to be. And I think the every time I've been that, I've connected with people.
Right. But it must have taken a lot of self-talk,
Yeah. Years
थोड़ा,
of, yeah.
खुद को समझने के लिए भी.
I mean, of course, but that's everybody's journey. I think it's taken me a long while to be like I was always like this, but I was in my initial years very uncomfortable being like this. And I think वो अभी भी fully गया नहीं है. अभी भी like I say something like I'll go on an interview, I'll say something and then I'll come back home and I'll be like, यार ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, you know, ये क्यों बोला? This is me being too vulnerable on the internet. But I think with every passing year as a content creator, I'm realizing, yeah, this is who I am, and the coolest way for me to be would be to just, you know, look at myself with some grace and love. You know, that's very important for your self growth. So yeah, I try.
Yeah, that's beautiful, and you've addressed a very important point, to look at yourself with grace and love. Oh,
Yeah,
बहुत
we're
rarely.
too harsh on ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, yeah,
Right.
we're too harsh on ourselves.
और आपने बताया like when you would have met your 15-year-old self, you would have hugged him.
Yeah.
तो that's very sweet, yeah. तो आपकी बचपन की बात करें तो how was your childhood like? Where did you grow up?
Yeah, I grew up in Mayur Vihar Phase 1. It's like it's in Delhi.
Yeah.
And I grew up with two sisters, like हम लोग मम्मी पापा, two sisters.
Elder
then,
sisters.
yeah, elder sisters. And then we also had a dog later in life. So, you know, like I think the fondest part of my childhood would be my sisters and the time I spent with them. I think school life sucked for me, honestly. Like I think मेरा बचपन जो है ना मेरे दिमाग में थोड़ा blurry है because I feel like I went into a cocoon. And that's what happens when you know, when you're kind of the odd one out in school, you have trouble making friends, you don't bloom. You know, it's very important for a kid to bloom so that they realize.
Especially growing years, थोड़ा
Yes.
खुद को समझने में भी इतना समय लगता है.
एंड आई फील लाइक वंस ग्रोइंग अप ईयर्स में अगर आप अपने बिहेवियर के बारे में कॉन्शियस हो जाते हो, अपने लुक्स के बारे में कॉन्शियस हो जाते हो, तो इट रियली टेक्स अ टोल. लाइक वो फिर लो सेल्फ एस्टीम
उसी समय से
शुरू हो
होता
जाती है. और वो फॉर्मेटिव ईयर्स में ये जब बातें आपके दिमाग में बैठ जाती है ना, तो बहुत टाइम लगता है उनको निकलने में. But I feel like I'm very fortunate enough to have two sisters to grow up with. I think that really changed my perspective in life. And I think college life is, मैं अपना बचपन अपनी college life को मानता हूँ क्योंकि तब मेरे बहुत पक्की दोस्तियाँ बन
तो
गई.
स्कूल में क्यों आपके स्कूल हार्ड था आपके?
या क्योंकि I mean I think bullying होती थी तो उस वजह से हार्ड था. But also स्कूल में ना मतलब एक्चुअली हमारे टाइम पे when we were growing up ना, तो alternate careers का इतना कॉन्सेप्ट भी नहीं था. तो मतलब या तो आप स्टूडियस हो या तो एज अ गाय आप स्पोर्ट्स में हो. तो ना मैं स्पोर्ट्स में था और मैं स्टूडियस भी नहीं था, बट मैं बहुत सॉरी फॉर माय लैंग्वेज, मैं बहुत फट्टू बच्चा था. तो मतलब मैं होमवर्क पूरा टाइम पे करता था बट मन नहीं करता था. सो लाइक आई वुड बी दैट गाय हु वुड गेट लाइक 70% अबव इन एवरीथिंग. लाइक मैं कभी आई थिंक स्कूल लाइफ में एक भी टेस्ट में कभी फेल नहीं हुआ.
Got it, हाँ.
बट मतलब आई हैड टू वर्क. मतलब मैं अंडर प्रेशर जी रहा था कि मतलब मुझे लाइक आई कांट बी बिलो एवरेज एंड यू नो, and I didn't spend any time realizing what I want to do. So I think I was just playing by the rules ki matlab.
So you were a little bit harsh on yourself.
I
and you
was
were-
very harsh on myself because I think people around me were very harsh on me. So I think as a kid वही होता है ना, जैसे लोग आपको ट्रीट करते हैं, अब वो बड़े हो के आपको जब आपको मेंटल हेल्थ की अवेयरनेस आती है तब आपको पता चलता है that when people are harsh around you, you sometimes internalize it.
Yeah.
And then because people have been judging you throughout your life, somewhere down the line you start judging yourself, which is why you're harsh on yourself.
Right.
So I think that's why मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी स्कूल लाइफ तो बहुत ही मतलब काफी I don't remember a lot of great things from my school life at least. Like बहनों के साथ I have many fond memories, but yeah, that's about it I think.
And how was घर का माहौल कैसा होता था, like with parents?
घर का माहौल बहुत chaotic होता था. जब घर में 3 बच्चे होते हैं तो घर का माहौल chaotic ही होता है. एंड आई एम द यंगेस्ट, तो मेरी बड़ी बहन और मेरे में, सबसे बड़ी बहन और मेरे में 10 साल का फर्क है. तो मतलब मेरे पेरेंट्स और मेरे में भी बहुत ज़्यादा एज गैप है, यू नो. सो आई मीन सो आई फेल्ट लाइक मतलब इन माई ग्रोइंग अप ईयर्स एवरीबडी हैड ग्रोन अप और उन सब के अडल्ट इशूज़ शुरू हो गए थे, यू नो.
आप छोटे हो गए हो और
मैं
10
या
साल आगे का
एग्जैक्टली.
gap.
सो यू नो मैं सम ऑफ माय अर्लीस्ट मेमोरीज आर कि मेरी बहनें टीनेजर्स बन गई थी एंड देन यू नो टीनेजर्स में रिबेलियन होता है, ये होता है. सो लाइक घर में हमेशा देयर वाज वेरी लाइक इट वाज वेरी केओटिक एट होम. बट या घर में वैसे ही माहौल था, बहुत प्लेफुल माहौल भी था. मतलब नाउ इट मेक्स फॉर ग्रेट स्टोरीज.
Right.
Yeah.
And I have seen a lot of videos of you with your mother also.
Yeah.
तो आपने बोला कि काफी गैप था आपकी बहनों के बीच में और ऑब्वियसली आपके पेरेंट्स. तो वो बॉन्ड कैसे डेवलप हुआ?
यार वो बॉन्ड आई थिंक मेरे पेरेंट्स का बॉन्ड बहुत लेटर डेवलप हुआ है लाइफ में. आई थिंक ग्रोइंग अप मैं बहुत क्लोज, लाइक आई सेड आई वाज इन अ कोकून. सो आई वुडंट, जितना मैं अभी एक्सप्रेसिव हूँ मैं उतना ही कम उस टाइम पे था. सो आई थिंक आई हैव एन एक्सप्रेसिव पर्सनैलिटी बट उसको आउटलेट नहीं मिल रहा था. सो आई वाज अ वेरी क्लोज्ड ऑफ पर्सन. इन इवन इन स्कूल आई वाज लाइक अ फ्लाई ऑन द वॉल. I was not with the popular kids. I was always like maybe like eating lunch in the class and not going out a lot. You know, like I was that kid. So even like with my parents, even with my sisters, I was not very expressive. Like I wouldn't come back home and tell them कि मेरा school में आज ये हुआ वो ऐसा नहीं था. But my mother was always supportive about my love for arts. So be it painting, be it singing, dancing. So मेरी life में हमेशा बहुत सारे phases आए हैं where I've wanted to do many things, and I think my mother has always been like,
Your mother is an actor.
yeah,
right?
she's an actor, so and I get it from her. I feel I get my creative side, my humor, everything from my mother, I think.
तो आपने एक्टिंग फील्ड में अब लगता था कभी बचपन में कि यार आई वांट टू बी एन एक्टर?
लगता तो बिल्कुल नहीं था, बट मन हमेशा से था. Like I think मुझे, if I honestly answer this, I have always I've grown up wanting to be an actor since I can remember. But because I was so conscious of the way I looked, because I feared public speaking, मुझे stage fright था. You know, for the longest time, बचपन में मैं eye contact बना के बात नहीं कर पाता था. It has taken me, like, after I became a content creator, उसके बाद मुझे realize हुआ कि यार इंटरनेट पे तो I'm so confident, but when I meet people in real life, मैं ऐसे ऐसे देख के बात करता हूँ. And it has taken me a lot of practice to be able to, you know, look at you now and talk to you looking in the eye. अभी भी मुझे थोड़ा ऐसे अजीब लगता है कि this is not very characteristic of me, but I think it's something, like, it's a part of my self growth. I think I've come to a point where I tell myself, even if I'm feeling nervous, that I am here because I've done something and they see value in bringing me here. So, like, I don't have to be underconfident about this. So,
But it is also very difficult to accept and say it out loud कि यार मुझे ऐसा लगता था पहले and now I'm growing and I'm working on myself.
I think saying it out loud for me, I do it only for myself, because I feel like if I can own up to who I am and who I used to be, that's the easiest way for me to accept it and move on. Like, I refuse to be ashamed about that anymore, because I've grown up feeling very ashamed about a lot of things that I didn't need to be ashamed about.
Yeah, you said that you were looks को लेके आप बहुत conscious थे, पर
Yeah.
ऐसा क्यों था?
मुझे भी नहीं पता, you know, but इन चीजों का कोई लॉजिक नहीं होता है. You know, so होता क्या है जब आप बचपन में, you know, kids don't grow up with this insecurity. It is planted in their heads. You know, like, for example, if you go to school and someone calls you, you know, someone, let's say, तू मेंढक जैसा लगता है. You know, like, whatever, बच्चे इतनी
हाँ.
easy तरीकों से कुछ भी बोल देते हैं. And then the next morning when you wake up and you look at yourself in the mirror, it kind of changes something. And that sticks with you. When you're a child, when you're in your formative years, and where you've never even, like, cared about how you look. But suddenly people are pointing at you and laughing because you look maybe different, or, you know, you're lanky, or you're not into sports, or, like, many reasons, you know. So I feel like बच्चों को बड़े होते नहीं पता होता कि उनमें कुछ अलग है या they're odd ones out. They're made to feel like that. So I feel like, yeah, maybe, I don't know, like, there's no logic to it.
Yeah.
I look at my childhood pictures and I'm like, why would anybody, like,
Yes.
say that to a child? But I mean, they were also kids. They also didn't know any better, I guess. So that's
ये
how.
सब
Yeah.
चीज़ें जो इनसिक्योरिटीज या कुछ भी हमें अपने लिए खुद के लिए सेल्फ डाउट होता है वो बचपन से ही स्प्राउट होता
In
है.
most cases, yeah, I guess so.
या और आपने बोला आपको एक्टर भी बनना था, वो भी आपने मन में दबा के रखा एज अ
Still,
चाइल्ड.
मतलब मैंने आर्किटेक्चर ज्वाइन कर लिया. Like, I was living this life for so long that I convinced myself that I want to be an architect. Like, मेरे पेरेंट्स से ऐसा कोई प्रेशर नहीं था कि तुमको इंजीनियर या डॉक्टर ही बनना है, ऐसा नहीं था. Because my mom is an actor. They may have accepted it if I said that I want to be an actor, but मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि यार, मतलब, मेरा पहले ही मजाक उड़ता है. I'm still not, like, I can't even look at people in the eye and talk. मैं स्टेज पे नहीं चढ़ पाता हूँ, मैं क्या एक्टर बनूंगा? So I lived in denial and I was like, नहीं, I want to do something creative, but, you know, maybe not engineering, maybe architecture, क्योंकि खानदान में शायद कोई आर्किटेक्ट नहीं है तो कंपैरिजन नहीं हो सकता.
Wow.
So it's so funny how we convince ourselves of so many things. You know, I think I chose architecture because मेरी फैमिली में कोई आर्किटेक्ट नहीं था. And I was like, इसमें तो फिर कोई मुझे नहीं बोल पाएगा that you're not good enough, you know, because there's no benchmark that I have to live up to. I got into architecture school, realized I don't want to do this, but again, I was not a rebellious kid, so I didn't drop out also. I was like, अब join कर लिया और
खत्म करना फिर.
खत्म करना पड़ेगा यार. Also because the kind of background that I come from, my parents, मुझे नहीं पता उन्होंने how they managed to pay like so much, because architecture is a very expensive course, especially if you come from a humble background. Architecture करना, एक तो कॉलेज की फीस अलग होती है, printouts की फीस अलग होती है, you know, the devices that you use for your work, it's a very expensive course. So I was very guilty कि यार, मतलब, इतने पैसे खर्च करवा दिए मम्मी पापा के, अब तुम टॉपर भी नहीं हो, रिबेल भी नहीं हो, तुम्हें खुद भी नहीं पता लाइफ में क्या करना है. So I was like, अभी ग्रेजुएशन करेंगे फिर देखेंगे.
तब तक आपने कुछ ऐसा प्लान नहीं किया था कि अब आगे जाके कंटेंट क्रिएशन में जाना
तब
है?
तक मैंने लिखना शुरू कर लिया था अपनी खुशी के लिए. So I used to do comedy writing on my own friends. Like, I would look at my friends and do the funny thing, see the funny things that they're doing, and, you know, Facebook पे notes का feature आया था उस टाइम.
ओके.
So मैं ना जब भी मेरे दोस्त पार्टी करने जाते थे और वो, मतलब, ऐसे दारू वारू पी के कुछ stupid करते थे, तो मैं अगले दिन सुबह उठ के उसकी पूरी एक स्टोरी बनाता था. And I would publish it on Facebook notes.
Oh, great.
And the next morning, obviously, they would not remember anything. So they would see those notes and they'd be like, wow, like, this is so funny. And you have a flair for writing. It was in college that my friends made me realize that hey, like you have basic rhythm, you can dance. And I was like, इससे पहले मुझे लाइफ में ना किसी ने बताया नहीं था कि मेरे बारे में क्या सही है. You know what I mean? So college was the time where I actually lived my childhood because I had people who didn't judge me. I had people telling me, hey, like you're a cool dancer. Hey, you're funny. You know, hey, you're a good writer. You're a better writer than an architect. So you should maybe pursue this. So
तब से आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आया होगा कि
Yeah,
दिस
yeah.
इज वेयर आई एम गुड एट
Yeah.
एंड ये. पर कंटेंट क्रिएशन स्टार्ट लाइक लिटरली लाइक सोशल मीडिया पे स्टार्ट हुआ कैसे आपका जर्नी?
यार आई थिंक मैं ना एक मेंस लाइफस्टाइल मैगजीन के लिए वीडियो स्क्रिप्ट्स लिखता था, स्केचेस लिखता था. एंड देन दे आल्सो थ्रू मी इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा बिकॉज़ दे वर लाइक बजट नहीं है अभी
आई
एक्टर.
थिंक मैंने सबसे पहले आपके वीडियोस वहीं देखे होंगे.
मे बी उससे हाँ भाई एग्जैक्टली दैट्स माय फर्स्ट गिग. सो वो हुआ. आई रियली एंजॉयड बीइंग ऑन कैमरा और धीरे धीरे जितने वीडियोस करते गए आई गॉट मोर कॉन्फिडेंट. एंड देन एट सम पॉइंट आई रियलाइज कि इंस्टाग्राम पे अभी लोग फेमस हो रहे हैं और उनको ब्रांड डील्स आ रहे हैं and they're quitting their jobs. And I was like, listen, I can write, I can act. I also understand a little bit of editing, like phone apps. तब आने लग गई थी, phone apps भी आने लग गई edit करने के लिए. So I was like, listen, this is, I think I can manage because when I was working, I used to script, I used to act in those videos, and then I used to sit with the editor and get them edited also.
तो एवरीथिंग
So हाँ मुझे
you
पता
learned
था.
everything.
So मुझे behind the scenes सब पता था कि लाइट कहाँ लगती है, ये कहाँ होता है. Technically नहीं पता था, but I knew script कैसे लिखी जाती है. I knew how to visualize it. So I was like, listen, if I have multiple skill sets, and in life I've always felt like I'm not meant for one thing. I'm meant to do many things. I've always felt that. Like I like trying many things. So I was like, this is probably a good way to try it out. देखते हैं. अगर मैं ये सब कर सकता हूँ तो मैं किसी और के लिए क्यों करूँ? मैं खुद के लिए क्यों ना करूँ? And then उसी टाइम मैंने एक कैरेक्टर किया था पंकज.
I know, yeah.
और
Very
वो काफी
funny.
वायरल
I
गया था
know,
वो.
हाँ.
एंड मैंने उसके वीडियोस अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे डालने शुरू करे एंड पीपल स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग मी एंड आई वाज लाइक वाओ लाइक
I actually remember that character very
Yeah.
well.
या आई आल्सो डू रिमेंबर दैट कैरेक्टर वेरी वेल. आई थिंक
नहीं, काफी टाइम तक आपका ऐसा लगता था आप पंकज ही हो.
या अरे यार मैं वो देयर वाज दिस वेरी फनी गेटअप दैट द कैरेक्टर हैड और मैं
Yes.
उस गेटअप में सेलिब्रिटीज के जाके शूट करता था.
Okay.
एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक आई होप दे नो कि like this is not me, this
This
is
is
just a
not me.
character I'm playing. So yeah.
Yeah, very sweet character.
Pankaj was a character who was like who would wear fake brands, who had a funny hairstyle, who had a funny like voice, nasal voice, who also didn't know English very well, but he was very confident. And before you could roast him, he would roast you. So I feel like in my head, when Apurva, the director of that series, Apurva and I sat and made this character, I think from somewhere it came from a point where this character did not want to fit in, which I've done all my life. So it was like an alter ego.
Right, right.
So when I played that character, I was like, yeah, you look at me and you'll feel like, this is the most uncool guy ever, but this guy doesn't give a shit.
Yes.
In his head, he's the coolest.
Right.
And I feel like ab itne saal ho gaye, now I look back and I'm like, wow, like it was all like, it all led. Yeah, it's all connected.
Right. काफी टाइम तक वो कैरेक्टर.
Yeah, काफी 2-3 साल तक तो वो काफी चला कैरेक्टर. And I think people also, that's why people loved that character so much. Because anybody who felt uncool about themselves, they looked at that character and they were like, look at his confidence. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Very बहुत ही अलग तरीके से, मतलब कूल भी था और अनकूल था बट कूल था.
But उसके दिमाग, like he didn't care for your validation. That's what made him cool, Like he didn't care if South Delhi people don't think he's cool. He's from Jamna Par. He doesn't care.
इतना टाइम हो गया but we all do remember him.
Yeah,
Yes.
वो recall value I think उसकी इसीलिए बनी है because I think it just made people feel like
Yes. और उस समय जो आपने बिल्कुल स्टार्ट किया था, हाउ सपोर्टिव वर योर पेरेंट्स एंड जब आप इतना प्रोग्रेस कर गए, हाउ प्राउड ऑफ यू बिकॉज दिस जर्नी दैट यू टुक?
I think today my parents I feel are very proud of me, which is a great feeling. But I also feel like it's also been a process. I think ever since I started making content, I was appreciated. So I think that also changes. I don't know alternate universe में क्या होता, but like my parents have accepted me also because there's a lot of external validation that they see around them. जब हम मॉल में जाते हैं तो लोग पहचानते हैं, फोटोज खींचते हैं, तो वो खुशी खुशी मुझे बताते हैं. So I feel like when you're doing, आपने कुछ भी alternate career choose करा and if you're doing well for yourself, I think your parents come around to accepting it.
Yeah, but it takes some time, right?
It takes some time. Thankfully, even if they may have been disappointed, they didn't make me feel bad about my career choices. I think maybe even if they were disappointed, which is fair because इतना पैसा खर्च करा आर्किटेक्चर डिग्री पे और उनको पता भी नहीं है कंटेंट क्रिएशन क्या होता है, और मैं 2 साल तक उनको झूठ बोला कि मैं आर्किटेक्चर में जॉब्स नहीं है इसलिए मैं राइटिंग की जॉब ले रहा हूँ.
Okay.
So I was also very careful to not shake them
Yeah.
suddenly. And I told them, listen, like I will keep earning. Like money will, मतलब like मैं अपने पैशन को फॉलो करने के लिए अपना मनी वाला गोल नहीं छोड़ूंगा, because I understand that at some point you will be dependent on me. So I was careful about that, and I still feel like it took me so long to quit my job because I wanted to be sure कि even as an established creator, can I earn enough to be on my own?
Yeah. And you were always very careful ना आपका.
Yeah, I'm the only earning source in my family.
Right.
I think passion होता है, but तुमको you have to be aware of your situation also. And money is important. You can't deny it.
100%. और ये इंडस्ट्री ऐसी है कि it takes some time आप earn करने
You
में
never
भी.
know if you'll make
Right.
good money out of it or not. Like we all look at creators and are like, you know, there's great money in creator economy. It's true, but only if you're an established creator. And आप established होते हो कि नहीं होते हो depends on a lot of things. Yeah, like I mean, you can be making the best content out there. You can be very hardworking, very unique, but it could take you years to find your audience. So it's always a risk. So I think my parents may have been disappointed initially कि architecture इतना professional course करवाया है इसको और ये writing में घुस रहा है. Also my mother comes from arts. Like she's an actor. She understands how this industry functions. She understands how fleeting it can be. काम मिला नहीं मिला. So I think more than disappointment, they may have had concerns for me. But thankfully things worked out in my favor, and now they look at all the people recognizing me and recognizing them, and I think they're happy that I'm.
पेरेंट्स के लिए वो बहुत बड़ी खुशी होती है.
हाँ, I think उनकी सारी worries वगैरह इसी बात से stem करती है कि can you take care of yourself or not, and if you can prove it to them that you know like I'll be able to take care of myself and you, I think they calm down.
Yeah, that's true. और जैसे आपने बताया कि how unpredictable is this
Yeah.
industry, उसमें अगर आप इतना अच्छा भी कर रहे हो इस समय, next moment you
guarantee
don't
नहीं
know कि क्या ब्रांड्स आएंगे कि नहीं, कोलैबोरेशंस आएंगे कि नहीं, तो हम 24/7 हमारा दिमाग चलता ही रहता है.
100%.
Even now I'm sure you must be thinking कि यार कल जो पोस्ट जाएगा उसके बारे में how
अभी
will
तक नहीं सोचा था, अब सोच रहा हूँ. No, but like it's true.
No,
It's
right?
yeah.
हाँ, तो कैसा परफॉर्म करेगा, लाइक्स आएंगे कि नहीं, हो सकता है कमेंट्स आए या नहीं, एंगेजमेंट अच्छा ना हो. तो मेंटल हेल्थ ऑब्वियसली मतलब आप कैसे ध्यान रखते हो, वर्क और मेंटल हेल्थ बैलेंस कैसे करते हो?
See, I mean, the simple and the most sensible answer is therapy.
राइट.
And like I'm a huge advocate for therapy because I've benefited a lot from it. I think matlab I've learned so much about myself from like therapy. It also helps you navigate through life, prioritize things, because तुम कई बार अपनी day to day life में इतना caught up होते हो that you don't realize that you know you need to take care of yourself also, and some of your worries maybe stem from something else in your mind.
हो सकता है.
You know,
Right.
so I feel like irrelevancy and all of this is a constant fear, and nobody is going to take that away from me. Matlab, this is the profession that I'm in.
Yeah.
You know, that's not going to change. अगर
Yeah.
मेरे कल 5 million followers भी हो जाते हैं, I will still wake up with that insecurity.
Of course.
Therapy will help me deal with it better.
Right.
So I feel like it's not the solution to things. It just equips you to handle your own self a little better. And this is one of the occupational hazards of being a content creator.
You do get caught up in like this loop of likes.
Yeah, 100%. And you know,
How
मतलब
can you avoid it? Yeah.
ये मैं पहले भी बोल चुका हूँ कि मतलब मैं अगर 6-7 साल से ये कर रहा हूँ, तब भी मेरा सुबह उठ के यही स्ट्रगल होता था कि यार ये कोई देखेगा कि नहीं देखेगा, और इतने साल बाद भी वही स्ट्रगल है कि यू नो लाइक कोई देखेगा कि नहीं देखेगा, कितनी देर तक देखेंगे, यू नो. सो नाउ आई हैव एक्सेप्टेड दैट इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोफेशन, एंड you also need to have healthy boundaries with as a person with content creation after a point.
Yeah.
When you grow up and you want to have your own personal life, I feel like it's very important to not associate your self-worth with your productivity, with your views, with the external validation. And that's very important for someone like me, and that's also my biggest struggle because I grew up without validation. And I enjoy content creation because of external validation.
Yes.
Which is a very vicious cycle, and I am aware of it. You know, like this will bite me in the ass at some point because, you know, I'm enjoying this because people are loving my work. What if they stop loving my work?
That can happen anytime because it is so unpredictable.
तो मुझे डर लगता है कि ये जितना मैंने कॉन्फिडेंस अक्वायर किया है बिकॉज ऑफ पीपल्स लव, इफ दैट पीपल्स लव इज टेकन अवे, विल आई स्टिल हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस और विल आई गो बैक टू वेयर आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम, यू नो? सो या दैट्स अ
बहुत
fear.
बड़ा fear associated.
That's a fear, but I guess like just expressing it and like owning up to it helps me deal with it better.
Right. और आपका विंग इट विद अंकुश की बात करें, आपने पैंडेमिक के टाइम स्टार्ट किया था,
हाँ.
तो ये जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ? मेकअप के साथ आपका ये रिलेशन कब से बिल्ड होना चालू हुआ?
यार आई थिंक लॉकडाउन में हमारे पास एक्सेस नहीं था, लाइक आई सेड मैं जॉब में था उस टाइम, सो हमारे पास मेकअप आर्टिस्ट आते थे, रोज हमारा मेकअप करते थे, हम जाके शूट करते थे. तो मतलब मेकअप चेयर पे मैं बहुत टाइम बैठा हूँ, तो मैंने देखा है कि वो क्या करते हैं, तो मुझे थियोरेटिकली समझ आता था कि कंसीलर क्या होता है, फाउंडेशन क्या, इतना ही पता था और कलर करेक्टर पता था. और मैं लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे मैं मम्मी के साथ बहुत सारे वीडियोस शूट करने लगा एंड और कैमरा पे आने के लिए थोड़ा बहुत मेकअप लगाना पड़ता है, राइट? सो बट मम्मी को मेकअप करना बिल्कुल नहीं आता, बट उनको तैयार होना बहुत, लाइक शी इज एन एक्टर, शी इज बीन एक्टिंग फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स, doesn't know how to put on makeup, nothing. She knows,
हमेशा मेकअप आर्टिस्ट से ही.
yeah, you know, like or a lot of characters don't require you to put on makeup, maybe, I don't know, but I'm just saying that like she didn't own a lot of makeup and she didn't know how to do a lot of
हाँ,
makeup.
बेसिक होगा उनके पास.
बहुत like एक फाउंडेशन शेड था जो गलत था, बिल्कुल ही गलत था, जिसको लगा के वो अजीब लगती थी, इसलिए वो फिर लगाती ही नहीं थी मेकअप, you know, like it was that with every mom, you know. So I realized कि you know, चलो एक दिन मैं आपका मेकअप करता हूँ, and I recorded it and it was a funny thing and I put it out and people loved it. People loved the freshness कि you know, like ये अपनी मम्मी का मेकअप कर रहा है and everything is going wrong and you know, like they're loving it, and his mom, look at his mom, she's enjoying it so much, and I realized that you know, like people loved watching me with my mom. And अगर हम रोज नई नई चीजें ट्राई करें, मेकअप is one of those things, you know. And this one time I had no content to put out, कुछ दिमाग नहीं चल रहा था, क्रिएटिव ब्लॉक चल रहा था, and I was just doing my makeup and I just recorded it and I just recorded my thoughts about, you know, why is it a problem if men wear makeup? और मुझे लगा कि यार ये कोई तो देखेगा नहीं, कोई क्यों देखेगा, like I'm putting on, I'm a comedy creator, why would anybody want? तो मैंने ऐसे ही डाल दिया, I was like आज कुछ डालने के लिए नहीं है, डाल दो, and it blew up like how, मतलब
You didn't expect that, right?
I didn't expect people would be interested in seeing me do makeup. Why? मेरे लिए बहुत नॉर्मल था, मैं तो रोज शूट से पहले करता था, बट आई नेवर लाइक पुट इट आउट देयर. दैट इज द डे आई रियलाइज कि यू नो, लाइक पीपल आर नॉट जस्ट फॉलोइंग यू फॉर कॉमेडी, दे नो you as a person and your thoughts, they also here for your thoughts,
Right.
they're also here for everything that you stand for, and if you're saying something important, your audience will listen because they believe in you as a person. So वो makeup video like got a lot of views, and it's not just about the views, you know, views बहुत videos पे आ जाते हैं. It's, मुझे पता चलता है when it affects people to the point that they write like इतने लंबे लंबे DMs to you. Views are not the metric of
Right.
a video creating an impact. That's just a video reaching algorithm. Views और impact में बहुत difference है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
मतलब views तो बहुत सारे content में आ जाते हैं, but that doesn't create any impact, you know. That video created an impact, also got the views, so good for me. मुझे बहुत सारे DMs आए, you know, this one mother wrote to me, she said, you know, मैंने अपने छोटे से बच्चे को बहुत बार डांटा है क्योंकि I've walked into the room and he's been putting on makeup, और मैंने उसे डांटा और अब वो डर जाता है, like अब वो छुप छुप के कर रहा था पहली बात और अब वो डर गया, and now I feel guilty कि मैंने क्यों किया था उसके साथ, and I felt like that was impact, you know, like I felt like maybe now that mother will not judge her son, and a lot of teenage boys wrote to me saying, you know, like हम छुप छुप के करते थे because हमें लगता था ये we're doing something wrong, and seeing you do something like this has made me feel a little lighter. So I feel like लोग हैं देखने वाले, हर चीज़ का audience है, and you know, if it's creating an impact, I should do it. And also more than that, I'll be very honest, I didn't do it to create a revolution or anything. I created it because I was enjoying it.
You were having fun.
मुझे बहुत मजे आ रहे थे. It's, you know, अब in adult life, how often is it that you learn a new skill? You as a content creator, आप डेली रट में इतना घुस जाते हो कि आप रोज रोज वीडियोस बना रहे हो, बट बहुत टाइम बाद एक ऐसी चीज आई थी जिसको देख के मुझे लगा यार ये तो मुझे आती नहीं है, बट मुझे मन कर रहा है सीखने का.
और आपकी स्किल्स भी ओवर टाइम इंप्रूव हुए होंगे ना, while you were.
Exactly. So my day one was on the internet, you know, as a makeup creator, and it was just a lot of fun. So I told my friends, I was like, listen, मैं ना तुम्हारे साथ वीडियो शूट करूंगा, तुम बस, मैं तुम्हारे घर आऊंगा एक मेकअप की अटैची लेके, एंड हम लोग बस तुम्हारे पे कोई ना कोई मेकअप लुक क्रिएट करेंगे, तुम्हें नहीं पसंद आएगा तो बोल देना नहीं पसंद आया. And I made a lot of blunders and I got trolled for it, got criticized for it, and all of that is fine. Because मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता if I'm perfect or not, because I feel like your need to be perfect sometimes sucks the fun out of things. Do things because you love doing them and you will get better ना. अगर ट्राई नहीं करोगे तो फिर कभी भी बेटर नहीं बन पाओगे. So the whole ethos of Wing It with Ankush was कि भैया देखो लॉकडाउन है, this is who I am right now, मुझे मेकअप करना अच्छा लग रहा है and I think it makes for great content. And तुम्हें भी नहीं आता मेकअप, कोई बात नहीं, मुझे भी नहीं आता, मैं सीखूंगा, मुझे देख देख के तुम भी सीख लेना. It's as simple as that.
No, I remember watching some of your initial videos. शिबानी
Yeah.
को आपने invite किया था
हाँ.
and then makeup किया था. It was a lot of fun to watch also. ऐसा नहीं कि हम कुछ सीख रहे हैं उसको देख के, but देखने में बड़ा मजा आता
Yeah,
है.
और मतलब उससे पहले मुझे कई लोगों ने ऐसे डीएम करके बोला था कि मेकअप हमें अनअप्रोचेबल लगता था क्योंकि बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ट्यूटोरियल्स होते थे वगैरह वगैरह, बट लुकिंग एट यू एंड बिकॉज यू सो कॉन्फिडेंटली मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स आल्सो ऑन कैमरा, इट मेक्स अस फील लाइक it's not that serious, it's makeup.
हाँ.
If you can't get your eyeliner right, it's not that serious. You practice it 20 more times, you'll get better at it.
No, even I don't know how to do makeup, but I do it myself because मेरे को जल्दी मेरा काम हो जाता है इससे. I don't know. Even now, I know my eyeliner is done wrong.
But it's okay.
But because I have to do it, I do it myself.
And like makeup is supposed to be fun, but it stresses a lot of people out.
Yes,
कि हमें
it
करना
does
नहीं
to
आता.
me as well.
Yeah.
Because मुझे आता नहीं. Even today, I was thinking, यार Ankush is coming on the podcast and मेरा makeup तो समझ में आ जाएगा कि गलत किया
बिल्कुल
मैंने.
ऐसा बिल्कुल like I don't look at people and I'm like इसका makeup गलत, ऐसा नहीं होता.
Genuinely, I was thinking this while doing my
बिल्कुल नहीं
makeup.
होता. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता. I think
I was thinking मैं eyeliner तो आज लगाती नहीं हूँ. Let's skip it because ये गड़बड़ तो पता चल ही जाएगा. Now you'll notice, but it is.
मैंने अभी तक नोटिस नहीं भी किया था. सी मैंने अभी तक नोटिस नहीं किया था, मैं अभी भी नहीं करूंगा बिकॉज आई एम लाइक पहली बात तो मैं खुद कितनी बार गलत विंग्स बनाता हूँ. सो इट्स नॉट दैट. आई थिंक मेकअप इज समथिंग वेरी पर्सनल. यू डू इट बिकॉज इट मेक्स यू फील हैप्पी. Never do it to like obviously if someone appreciates your makeup you'll feel good, but don't do it with that intention. Like I don't do it with that intention. Maybe at events I do it with that intention, but in real life I think I just enjoy the process of like observing my face, doing makeup, and it's also helped me.
I just forgot to apply lipstick today.
It's
I
okay,
didn't apply
nobody has
lipstick
noticed
today.
so
I was
far.
just
It's fine.
Oh my god.
If you're like, it's fine.
Actually, I was running to this place and मैंने सब कुछ apply कर लिया. लिपस्टिक apply करना भूल गई genuinely.
It's not a rule. It's not a rule that you have to wear lipstick. It's
No, but
fine.
it will not look good on camera.
It's looking fine.
चलो ठीक है, कोई बात
I'm
नहीं.
sure it'll look great on camera. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, all right. ठीक.
And yeah, I think beauty के बहुत सारे perceptions है that I wish I change for myself, and I wish people watching me can change it for themselves. Like I think a lot of times makeup is associated with insecurities and hiding, and to a large extent that is true. Even as a beauty creator, I will not deny that makeup and beauty standards are very linked to each other. But I also feel like makeup and beauty are also a matter of self-expression for a lot of people. They also help people feel good. Like for me, if I'm having a bad day, मैं कभी कभी रात को रैंडमली अपना बेस मेकअप कर लेता हूँ. अब मैं कहीं नहीं जाता, करके उतार भी देता हूँ. बट द एक्ट ऑफ इट इज लाइक आई फील लाइक makeup and skincare both have helped me accept my face.
Wow.
It's very weird, but मुझे like I feel like the more I study my face, the more I appreciate certain things about it. And I also feel like makeup is not about hiding behind a concealer. It's about understanding what is it that you like about your face. So you highlight that and let that do the talking. It's as simple
और
as
वो
that.
भी आपने कितने बाद में जाना कि यार
Yeah.
ये something there is something that will make me feel good about myself, which is like
I genuinely like makeup makes me feel great on some terrible days. Even if nobody compliments me, I don't care. I put on makeup, I go out, it looks like I feel this sense of I got this. Confidence also, and I got this. Like life में कुछ भी इधर से उधर हो जाए, मैं अपना स्किन केयर नहीं skip करूँगा. That's my way of loving myself. Like life can throw whatever shit at me. I will take care of my skin.
ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. हम लोग को सबको एक चीज ऐसी मालूम होनी चाहिए कि यार हम ये करेंगे तो हमें
You just feel like, like I still got this. Like I still have some agency over this situation. कुछ ना कर पाऊँ तो मैं स्किन केयर करके अपनी स्किन बेटर कर सकता हूँ.
wow, that's
I
so
just
nice.
wish ये wisdom मेरे में पानी पीने के लिए आ जाए because I don't drink enough water. और fitness के लिए I think that's what exactly what people who are into fitness say ना कि if you take care of your body you feel better. and it's also your way of taking care of yourself. So I feel like if you've grown up with a lot of self-doubt, being conscious of your looks, something as simple as skincare really, you know, when you see the results, my skin used to be horrible. Yeah, at one point it was horrible because मैं कुछ करता ही नहीं था. Then I've seen my skin get better with skincare.
अभी तो it's glowing.
अभी तो makeup भी है.
Makeup भी.
Yeah, and this is consistently years of skincare, but मुझे rewards दिखे, so I was like, you know, like yeah, I like doing this.
Skin के जो issues होते हैं वो भी it takes a lot of time.
Yeah.
Acne और ये सब मतलब patience उसमें भी बहुत चाहिए होता है.
और ये सब चीजें लोगों को कितना insecure बनाती हैं यार, कितना.
I know, I have been that person. मुझे acne बहुत होता था. With time वो adulthood
चला गया.
ठीक हो गया, गया भी नहीं है. तो
But
मैं तो
how did
बोलती
you-
भी नहीं हूँ चला गया. मुझे लगता है अगले दिन ही
वापस
ना
आ
आ
जाएगा.
जाए.
Let's not jinx it.
Yeah.
That's all of us. Yeah.
Yeah. So yes, it takes a lot of time to accept कि हाँ ठीक है यार ऐसे ही है, चलेगा ये तो.
Or do what it takes to fix it. Like for example, like visit a doormat. Sometimes, a lot of times, you know, your skin issues are about your actual health, like inside your body.
Gut health.
So gut health, yeah, so many things. So I feel like अगर मेरे मुंह पे पिंपल्स आ गए और वो स्किन केयर से ठीक नहीं हो रहे, that is my motivation to start eating right.
कई बार डर्मेट से भी
कि
नहीं हो
मुंह पे दिखने
पाता
लग गया यार,
हाँ.
अब तो सही खाना पड़ेगा.
अगर मेकअप और स्किन केयर की जैसे बात करें, आप बता रहे हो, देयर इज स्टिल अ स्टिग्मा एसोसिएटेड विद मेन डूइंग मेकअप, मेन डूइंग स्किन केयर. तो आपको कभी हेट या ट्रोलिंग या सोशल मीडिया पे ऐसा सुनने मिला, या इवन इन रियल लाइफ?
मिलता रहता है. Even in real life, I think, even in real life sometimes, thankfully, I have a beautiful circle around me that are very supportive, and वो मेरे को पहले से जानते हैं. So for them, me being myself is not nothing new. You know, like I'm doing skincare, but skincare मुझे बहुत टाइम से पसंद है. Content मैंने अभी बनाना शुरू करा है, but you know, like they've seen my journey into like coming into my own and feeling confident, whatever. But sometimes people who are not your friends will, you know, you'll hear things that they're saying behind your back. वो सब तो होता रहता है. And ऑनलाइन भी होता है. ऑनलाइन भी काफी ट्रोलिंग होती है.
ऑनलाइन तो बस लोग लिख देते हैं, उनको
लिख
क्या
देते
फर्क
हैं.
पड़ता है. हाँ.
एग्जैक्टली उनको क्या फर्क पड़ता है. बट ठीक है, आई थिंक आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक आई एम वेरी, जब ये सब चीजें होती है, जब भी इस बात की बात उठती है अबाउट ट्रोलिंग एटसेट्रा, आई फील लाइक ट्रोलिंग अफेक्ट्स everybody to some extent. I think anybody who says I don't care about trolls would be, I don't know, maybe like is probably like God. मतलब उनकी mental health फिर बहुत ही अच्छी है. But I think nasty things affect everybody, and I think I've spent a lot of time saying, oh, it doesn't affect me and all that, but I think I want to stop lying about it and be like, listen, like on bad days it affects everybody, you know, even me, even the strongest of people crumble under hate. It's not a nice thing to do, but having said that, just because I believe it's not a nice thing to do, people are not going to stop doing it, right? People are going to troll, people are going to say bad stuff. But I think it's very important to look at the other side and be like, you know, there are so many people also who appreciate this. Not just appreciate this, who get it. You don't have to appreciate, like the opposite of hate is appreciation, but I think just acceptance is what people need. Maybe not appreciation. I think they'll start appreciating it themselves if they just don't feel like they're the odd ones out. It's as simple as that. Just don't make people feel like they don't belong. Like you're not a man if you do this. Who are you to tell me if I'm not a man or not? You know, like why have you laid out the rules of what a man can do and what a man can't do? Like why is it okay for a man to get like a celebrity like hairstyle and get like very, you know, like very creative beard styles and everything, but not do makeup? ये distinction किसने बनाई है कि ये allowed है but ये allowed नहीं है? It's bullshit. But I feel like I'm also very fortunate to have actual support in real life from my friends, my family, which a lot of people don't have. Like a lot of gender fluid people, trans people, non-binary people probably don't have that around them. So the online hate also reflects to hate in the real world, which is bullying on the roads, in the metro, in public transport, which is terrible. So I feel like I wish the kind of circle that I have, it's also my cisgender privilege because I'm cisgender. People are a lot more accepting of the things that I do.
Right.
You know? So I feel like there is that to acknowledge and understand. But what I can say is I wish everybody gets that acceptance around them. If not in the online world, then at least around them, because then you can switch off the internet and be with real people and be like, you know, people who actually matter to me, see
कुछ
me
लोगों के
for...
पास वो भी support नहीं होता है.
हाँ, और मेरे पास thankfully वो है. एंड आई विश वो सपोर्ट सबको मिले.
Yeah.
And I don't know, like I can't personally know everybody, but I can assure you that the online community that I build will be inclusive. I think that's what I can do. I can make sure that anybody who comes on my page doesn't feel like, you know, I don't belong here. Everybody, beauty is for everybody.
Yeah, yeah. And I think people love to hate. आजकल के ज़माने में मैंने ये देखा है.
I think
people
it's
love
fun to hate.
Yeah, it's
I get it. Like I get it. It makes
it's
for like.
easier to hate than to, you know, accept or.
I also feel like hate gets more reactions out of people than love.
That's true.
मतलब मैं अपने आप को भी देखता हूँ, मेरे दोस्त भी मुझे बताते हैं कि भाई तेरे पोस्ट पे 200 कमेंट्स आए, 10 लोगों ने बकवास लिखी है, 190 लोगों ने तारीफ ही करी है, बट तुझे क्या दिख रहा है? वो 10 कमेंट्स. सो आई फील लाइक हेट इज ऑल्सो लाइक अ हिट्स यू हार्डर, because I feel as content creators especially, at some level you all want validation, and your career depends on people liking you, you know, like even if I'm not a sucker for validation, if people don't like me, I don't get followers, I don't get business. So I think in the online world, we are in the online world so that we can be seen by people. And what that comes with is this need to be liked by everybody. Now I tell myself that my audience needs to like me. And if someone's not my audience, if someone is not into makeup, for example, if they believe that men should not wear makeup, they're not my audience. So I will not let their opinion affect me. I'm not doing this for them. I will continue doing this for the community that I'm building and the kind of people I want in my community, and hoping that at some point their mindset will change.
Yeah, right. और जज तो मतलब हर चीज़ पे किया जाता है. आप मोटे हो, पतले हो, लंबे हो, छोटे हो.
यार देखो, जज मुझे ऐसा लगता है जज तो सब करते हैं. Like let's not be angels here. Everybody judges. मेरे लिए कोई sensitive topic होगा which I feel like you should not judge me on this, but maybe I am being insensitive to someone else and judging them for someone that is their insecurity. I think what is an important conversation to have is how to behave online,
Yeah,
which most people don't know.
right.
They don't understand how to behave online. It's like, you know, जब आप एक public space में जाते हो, you will behave a certain way because you don't want to be an asshole to people for no reason, right? Why would you want to be that online? Like, why would you come and say something mean on someone's comment section and make them feel bad? What is it getting you?
Right.
Even if you have bad thoughts, keep them to yourself. Like,
Yeah.
I also think people on the internet don't realize, उनको लगता है कोई accountability नहीं है ना, मैं कुछ भी लिख के जा सकता हूँ, तुम क्या कर लोगे मेरा? That is what anonymity is about. Anonymity, I've said this before also, it gives you the license to say the worst things that you can and not suffer, like, and not be held accountable for it.
Yeah. Yeah. It can ruin someone's day actually.
Yeah. So I feel like we're all on the internet now. This is where the world is heading. A little bit of kindness will really help, you know. Just don't, like, I'm not saying be nice to people. I'm just saying don't be an asshole. Literally that. Just don't be an asshole.
Yeah. Right.
Like, that's where the benchmark is.
Right.
You know, don't be nice to me. Don't say great stuff about me. Just don't be an asshole to me. Like, is that too much to ask for?
Yeah. That means they are आपके कंटेंट उनको ड्राइव जरूर कर रहा है कहीं ना कहीं.
यार देखो, I mean, मैं अब मैं उस पॉइंट पे आ गया हूँ and I'm like कि भाई अगर तुम मुझे हेट करने वाले हो तो प्लीज मेरी रील को स्टोरी पे शेयर करके हेट करो ताकि मुझे उसका व्यू मिल जाए. दैट्स द बेयर मिनिमम यू कैन डू फॉर लाइक रूइनिंग माय मेंटल हेल्थ. इतना तो करना बनता है.
राइट. तो आपकी जर्नी की बात करें तो इट हैज़ बीन filled with so many such big moments, I would say, that have shaped your career. मतलब स्कूल से लेके बात करी जाए तो even now you're learning so many new things. So let's talk about some of those moments and let's discuss about some moments that have been important in your life. So tell me about that one moment when you felt, yaar, I have made it big.
I've done something I'm proud of. I felt when मैंने मैक के साथ मैक फाउंडेशन के साथ I was on their campaign when they announced Bhumi Pednekar as their ambassador. I was the only guy in the campaign. And उसके ना उसके वो जो ऑडियो विजुअल्स होते हैं और वो जो पोस्टर्स वगैरह होते हैं वो मैक के स्टोर पे लगे थे. एंड मैं मयूर विहार में रहता तो हम लोग DLF मॉल ऑफ इंडिया जाते रहते हैं, ठीक है. तो मेरे मम्मी पापा मॉल ऑफ इंडिया गए और उनको लाइक व्हेन दे एंटर, दैट्स द गेट दैट वी एंटर फ्रॉम हमेशा. एंड दे एंटर्ड एंड दे सॉ मैक पे उनके बेटे की फोटो है and they posed in front of it and they asked some stranger to click a photo and they sent it to me. And like I feel like it did something to me. I was like, yaar, you know, this is the mall that I used to go to. मतलब like उससे पहले मेरा hoarding भी लग चुका था, but this is the mall that I go to, you know. And my parents going there and, you know, like posing with a picture of their son on a foundation brand, like one of the biggest foundation brands, like makeup brands. I was like, yeah, I'm proud of myself today.
And even now, when you think about it, you'll feel the same kind of emotion, right?
Yeah, matlab like I feel it's a core memory.
It's a core memory. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Tell me about that one moment when you felt like giving up.
That's every Monday. No, I mean, I'll be honest, यार ये बहुत होता है. I feel like I did feel like giving up at one point, and there were like about 2-3 months in my makeup journey when I stopped because I was getting a lot of trolling, a lot of people were saying things like, you know, he's not good at this. Why is he doing this? You know, why is he in this field when he's not good? And that really affected me. But then when I came out of it, I realized, and you know, like people around me made me realize that why did you open this page? Why did you open Wing It with Ankush? You opened this page because you enjoy doing something, and you're not professionally trained. You're not going to be amazing from day one. You will grow and you will learn. And internet opinions chhod. You enjoy doing this, right? I said, yeah, I love doing this. They said, then you should not stop. People are maybe following you because they see that approachability in your content and they feel like, you know, हमें भी नहीं आता, इसको भी नहीं आता. And you know, ये सीखेगा तो हम भी सीख जाएंगे. You know, sometimes that's why people follow you. Sometimes people follow you for many reasons. Maybe you make them feel good. Maybe you make them feel like putting on makeup. You know, so they said, you know, look at the people DMing you and saying next video कब आ रहे हो, तुम नहीं बना रहे हो, क्यों? Because some people think you're not good enough. What if you're never good enough? Will you stop it? And tell me one thing, like when you take up a job, when you get a job, when you get an opportunity, do you not take it because you feel like there are other people in the world better than me than this? No, nobody thinks that. You know, then why are you being so self-critical? Do it, get down to it, do it and get better. And I have gotten better. And then now I look back at my journey and I'm like, you know, there are still things that I do that are wrong. There are still blunders that I make. But I am going to allow myself to make mistakes. I am not chasing perfection. I am chasing my love for beauty. And I think makeup is something that is very personal. And if it gives you happiness, मतलब अगर तुम professional makeup artist नहीं हो तो क्या तुम खुश नहीं हो सकते makeup लगाते हुए? You know what I mean? So, and I've built a community on that ethos. कि, you know, like, listen, I'm going to make mistakes. I'm going to make blunders and I'm going to put it out. It's fine. I'm not ashamed of it.
I think आपके जो Wing It with अंकुश है, जो start भी हुआ था ना, तो imperfection ही लोग like कर रहे थे. I think.
यार हमारे देश के जो some of the biggest, most renowned makeup artists जो हैं, वो self-taught हैं. Yeah, वो self-taught हैं. And I'm saying, like, I mean, ये सब चीजें तुम सीख सकते हो अपने आप से. You know, like, I mean, I'm saying that you will not get better until you try. And it was my personal decision to put out my content until I was perfect also. Yeah. I could have, you know, like spent 5 years learning it and then put out content, perfect looking content, but that was never the idea. वो इंटेंट ही नहीं था. इंटेंट था कि भाई मुझे ये करना अच्छा लग रहा है. लाइक लोग बनाना ब्रेड बना रहे थे, डलगोना कॉफी बना रहे थे लॉकडाउन में, पहली बार बना रहे थे, उसका कंटेंट बना के डाल रहे थे. मेरे लिए वो मेकअप था,
एक सी चीज उस टाइम पे,
बट वो मेरे लिए मेकअप था. And I was like, I am not claiming to be perfect. And it's makeup, bhai. Like, I don't have to be perfect. Yeah. I just have to really enjoy it. And I have to add value to people's lives. And if watching my content and seeing me be imperfect and clumsy and whatever, and also seeing my growth gives you hope that you can also grow.
Yeah.
It's good. It's good enough.
Right. And it is very... आपसे काफ़ी लोग सीखेंगे ये बात कि जब आपको ऐसा फील हो कि गिव अप कर रहे हैं, इस मोमेंट पे मुझे गिव अप करना है और उसके बाद पिक करना खुद को, इट्स वेरी टफ. एंड तब आपको वो ड्राइव आपके अंदर होती है अगर आपको जेन्युइनली उस चीज़ के बारे में आप पैशनेट हो. आपको जैसे आपने मेकअप के बारे में बताया, genuinely give you happiness and that's why you picked yourself up.
I mean, and I think it shows in the kind of content that I make. You can see how passionate I am about it, the productivity that I have with it. And I also feel like when I realized this कि मैंने ये क्यों शुरू किया था, it also helped me deal with criticism a little better, because I was like, hey, listen, you're putting content out on internet. If someone doesn't like a makeup look that you've done, that's also fair. They're allowed to say that you know like इसका काम घटिया है और मुझे नहीं पसंद है, it's okay.
हाँ, of course.
Not everybody is going to be your audience. Not
Yeah.
everybody is. If someone's looking for perfection, maybe I'm not the person they follow.
हाँ हाँ.
It's as simple as that.
Yeah, right.
People who are following me know why they're following me, and I can't question their, like I can question my intelligence in a moment of like self doubt, but it's foolish of me to question the intelligence of so many people who believe in me. Must have done something right that so many people are like engaging with my content, watching it every day.
More
So-
than 1 million people follow you on
Yeah, and-
Blink It with Ankush.
Yeah, and it's not just about the number, it's about how they engage with me in the DMs, in the comments, and I think I'm going to choose to look at that.
Right. The community is very strong.
यार वो किसी रीजन की वजह से, अदरवाइज उन स्ट्रेंजर्स को क्या पड़ी है मेरी लाइफ, उन स्ट्रेंजर्स को क्या पड़ी है कि मेरा करियर बन जाए, मुझे ब्रांड डील मिल जाए, यू नो. सो आई फील लाइक व्हेन पीपल कनेक्ट विद क्रिएटर्स दे मस्ट बी डूइंग समथिंग राइट, you know. So I feel like that was a moment where I felt like I don't think I'm made for this, I don't think I should do this. But then I was like, listen, I like doing this, and social media allows me to do whatever I want to do. Why not? इससे पहले लाइफ में कभी हमें like डिजिटल मीडिया से पहले कभी मौका ही नहीं था वो करने का जो तुम्हें पसंद है, and making a career out of it. This is a huge privilege.
बिल्कुल.
So use it.
Yeah. Tell me about an embarrassing moment in your career.
Embarrassing तो पता, मतलब embarrassing moments in your career. Okay, cool. So I तो think I owe a public apology to Aishwarya Mohan Raj because in my initial days of like trying
Yeah.
on makeup मैं अपने creator friends को बोलता था आओ मैं तुम्हारा makeup करूँगा वगैरह वगैरह. I think उसका makeup मैंने बहुत बुरा किया था.
Okay.
काफी बुरा किया था उस टाइम, काफी criticism भी मिला था और उस टाइम तो मैं affect हो गया था because you know like obviously like तुम्हें भी time लगता है to deal with you know criticism and all, but now that I look back and I'm like यार like I feel like, but you know, but that was the whole point of the video, that we just try things and maybe they go wrong and whatever. And she was kind enough to like let me do her makeup, and so whenever I did these collaborations, all these people knew I'm not a professional makeup artist.
Right.
So they entered knowing कि दोस्त हैं दो, और दोस्त जैसे अगर
हाँ,
आप और आपकी दोस्त पे
हाँ,
बैठ के कमरे में मेकअप कर रहे हो,
Yes.
and sometimes you'll get panda eyes because you're trying to get a winged eyeliner right.
You guys are just chatting and doing makeup.
Yeah. So it's not that
हाँ.
serious. So I mean, obviously, she's also not mad about it or whatever. But you know, sometimes I look back at my old content and I'm like, yeah, this lipstick is not going with this eye makeup. And I see this as my own personal growth. You know, like I can look back at my work and be like, you know, ये क्या करा है.
Right.
So
ये experiment जैसा चल रहा है.
But जब आप experiments करते हो तो काफी सारे fail होते हैं,
Of
कुछ
course.
succeed होते हैं. तो yeah, I mean, it's okay to laugh at these things, you know. So I think yeah, that. और एक बार एक लारिसा भी है. मैंने लारिसा के साथ हम लोग कॉस्मोपॉलिटन अवार्ड्स जा रहे थे, एंड शी टोल्ड मी कि मेरा मेकअप, आई टोल्ड हर, आई सेड यार लारिसा लेट्स कोलैबोरेट, लेट मी डू योर मेकअप, ओके. एंड मुझे नहीं पता था कि वो मुझ में इतना कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाएगी दैट शी सेड आज रात को अवार्ड्स है, आज तो मेरा अवार्ड्स के लिए मेकअप कर.
Oh my god.
एंड दैट्स अ वेरी हाई स्टेक सिचुएशन, यू नो, लाइक
You did.
you're
Okay.
going to be photographed.
Of course.
It's a big event, you're dressing up and you're letting an amateur person do your makeup.
Oh my god, that's
I
like
was a
high pressure.
High pressure, और एक घंटे तक उसकी eyebrows ही नहीं बन रही है मुझसे. That was very early into my makeup journey, and at some point she was like, listen, I think I'm going to remove this and I'm just going to do my own makeup.
No way.
मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा, मुझे उसके लिए बुरा लगा. I was like, यार इसने इतना confidence दिखाया मेरे पे, और मैंने तो हक दिया.
Ultimately उनका मेकअप आपने किया कि नहीं किया?
नहीं किया यार, नहीं किया. लाइक वो आई थिंक उस दिन हमें रियलाइज हुआ कि भाई मतलब दिस इज अ, यार मैं बहुत नया था, मुझे नहीं आता था, और मैं पहली, एंड यू नो लाइक द, if you're not a professionally trained makeup artist, doing makeup on a new face is a like
Or that
figuring
too
out for a big
for an
event
award
is
function.
yeah. So like I mean I love my creator friends to be so gutsy to be like हाँ करना देखा जाएगा. I think that's what made my content so much fun. But ऐसे बहुत embarrassing moments हुए. मैंने बहुत makeup looks create करे that are blunders, but I've learned the biggest things from those, and I think that's
But they've been fun to watch. अब मतलब
it's
viewers को
content
तो
ना,
जो
मजे आए ना देख के, बस मजे आए देख के, और क्या चाहिए.
Yeah. अभी एक आपका रिसेंट उसकी बात कर लेते हैं, डिजिटल अरेस्ट.
Of course. कर लेते हैं, चलो.
मैंने देखा था व्हेन यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. तो यार ये जो स्कैम वगैरह होता है, do you want to talk about it in detail if you
Yeah,
don't
देखो, I
mind?
don't want to relive it again because
Yeah,
I think मुझे जो बोलना था ना, मैंने वो,
I know.
that video is everywhere and people can go and watch it whenever they want to. I don't want to get into the detail. All I want to say about this topic is that scams बहुत हो रहे हैं and everybody should be very careful. And I also feel like if you spot these kind of scams और ऐसी reels बहुत Instagram पे भी आजकल आने लग गई हैं,
हाँ,
just forward it to your friends.
right.
Half of them may not watch it, but half of them will watch it and it might save them. So I feel like इसका एक ही वो है awareness.
Yeah, and ये सारा जब कुछ हो रहा था आपको believable लग रहा था?
यार लोग anybody who falls for a scam not for any other reason but because they fall for it because they
They
believe
made
it.
it look so
तो
believable.
they believe it. तभी तो मतलब अगर it's difficult to believe it तो फिर तो ये scam इतना nationwide हो ही नहीं रहा होता
I know,
ना.
ये बहुत लोग साथ हो रहा है.
If it's a popular scam,
हाँ.
it means it's easy to fall for it.
Right.
That's why it's a scam.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it would be a one-off case.
Right. I saw that video and I saw you very, very anxious. मैंने देखा था because I do follow you. So
Yeah, it was not easy, but I've moved on from that now. So,
yeah, right. Okay. So like we've come to the end of the podcast, but I have a quick rapid fire for you. Yeah.
Let's do it.
ठीक है. If not a content creator, what you would have been?
Like a professional makeup artist, I don't know. Maybe मैं सीखता, time invest करता है learn करने में और I could have become like a professional makeup artist or yeah.
Switch lives with any creator for a day. Who would that be?
नहीं करनी. सबकी mental health के लगे पड़े हैं. मेरे को नहीं करनी किसी से life swap. मेरी अपनी life काफी it's already a lot to take in. So I think I would, if I had to swap lives with someone, I would do it with someone from some other profession. Because I think I've forgotten what it is like to live a routine life. क्योंकि एज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर मेरी लाइफ में बिल्कुल रूटीन नहीं है और जितने मैंने क्रिएटर से बात करी है सबका हाल यही है. सो आई फील लाइक अगर मुझे स्वैप करना होगा ना तो मैं स्वैप करूंगा किसी से जिसकी बहुत ही रूटीन लाइफ है कि इतने बजे उठो, यहाँ जाओ, वापस आओ एंड देन काम के बारे में मत सोचो.
What is your guilty pleasure?
My guilty pleasure is like memes on Instagram. All sorts of memes, all sorts of like जिस भी चीज को लेके लोग मीम्स बनाते हैं कि ये मेरी फीड में क्यों आ गया है, व्हाट हैज हैपेंड टू माय फीड, मेरे जैसे लोगों की वजह से वो एल्गोरिदम तक पहुंचता है बिकॉज आई कंज्यूम all kinds of memes on the
Oh
internet.
wow, okay. You're the
Cat
one who
memes.
forward.
Yeah.
जो forward करता है अपने friends को.
मेरे दोस्त तंग आ गए मेरे कैट मीम्स शेयर करने की आदत से. मैं बहुत yeah.
Okay. What's next for Ankush?
Very boring answer. But I think career wise तो जो भी होगा वो तो that's on autopilot, वो तो चलता रहेगा. But I think this year my focus is going to be to like center myself a little because I think last year इतना कुछ हुआ है, इतने सारे milestones हुए हैं like Cannes, Fashion Weeks, so many things have happened that I think I am in this state of unrest. And I think I need to like find my center a little bit again and maybe at least attempt to have some work-life balance. That's what my therapist has been telling me. She's like, slow down thoda. You know, like things will happen on their own also. So I feel like as a content creator, every time you achieve something, there's always a bigger milestone to achieve. You never like take a break and be like, you know, let me just center myself a little bit. Also take a little bit of a break. I'm not taking a break. वो मेरे लिए possible ही नहीं है. मैं मर जाऊँगा overthinking से. But won't take a break. But I will prioritize my health a little bit this year. And I'm saying this as an answer because I want to tell myself that this is also an important goal, Ankush. Only your career achievements are not an important goal. Your fitness levels, your hydration levels in your body, all of these things are also important goals to have. So I'm forcing myself to say this as an answer.
Great. Amazing. And one last message for our readers, our listeners.
If you're not following me, please follow me. No, for your readers, just be. I think it's not about. The only message I want to give is kindness is cool. I feel like we live in times where savagery and all of this is considered cool, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I feel like sometimes we forget that kindness is also very cool. And I've spent a lot of years beating myself over. मैं क्यों नहीं ऐसे spicy answers देता questions में? Why don't I do this? Why don't I do that? And like why am I playing so safe always? Like, and I feel like sometimes just being kind is cool.
Great. That's amazing. Thank you so much
Thank you so much for
coming on
having
the
me.
podcast.
I had a great time.
And it was lovely talking to you.
Same here.
Thank you.
Same here. Thank you.